Blackheads, those pesky little dark spots that often appear on the face, are a common skincare concern for many. They occur when pores become clogged with excess oil, dead skin cells, and impurities. While there are numerous commercial products available to address blackheads, natural remedies can also be effective and gentle on the skin. In this article, we will explore various methods to remove blackheads naturally and promote clearer, healthier skin. Steam your face. One of the simplest and most effective natural remedies for blackheads is facial steaming. Steam helps open up pores, making it easier to remove impurities. To do this at home, bring a pot of water to a boil, place it on a heat-resistant surface, and position your face over the steam with a towel draped over your head. Steam for about 5–10 minutes, allowing your pores to open up, and then gently cleanse your face to remove loosened blackheads. Exfoliate with natural scrubs. Regular exfoliation is crucial for preventing and removing blackheads. Create a homemade scrub using natural ingredients like baking soda, sugar, or oatmeal. Mix these with water or yogurt to create a paste and gently massage it onto your face in circular motions. This helps to slough off dead skin cells and unclog pores, reducing the appearance of blackheads over time. Use honey and cinnamon mask. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, making it an excellent ingredient for treating blackheads. Combine honey with a pinch of cinnamon to create a paste. Apply the mixture to your face, focusing on areas with blackheads. Leave it on for 15–20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Honey helps moisturize the skin, while cinnamon's antimicrobial properties can aid in preventing further blackhead formation. Apply green tea extract. Green tea is known for its antioxidant properties, and it can be beneficial for combating blackheads. Brew a cup of green tea, allow it to cool, and then apply the liquid to your face using a cotton ball. Green tea can help reduce excess oil production and inflammation, contributing to clearer skin. Clay masks. Clay masks, particularly those containing bentonite or kaolin clay, can help absorb excess oil and impurities from the skin. Apply a thin layer of the clay mask to your face, focusing on areas prone to blackheads. Allow it to dry before rinsing off with warm water. Regular use can help control oiliness and prevent blackheads. Aloe vera. Gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties. Applying a thin layer of pure aloe vera gel to your face can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. It's a gentle remedy suitable for all skin types. Removing blackheads naturally involves consistent care and patience. By incorporating these natural remedies into your skincare routine, you can effectively address blackheads while promoting healthier, clearer skin. Remember to be gentle with your skin, avoid harsh chemicals, and maintain a regular skincare routine for the best results.